What if Cadillac revived one of its most iconic nameplates for the modern era? Today, we're taking a close look at this breathtaking 2027 Cadillac Eldorado Concept, based entirely on the images shown in this video. While Cadillac has not officially announced a new Eldorado, these renders imagine how a flagship luxury grand tourer could return with futuristic styling, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable American elegance. Let's explore the exterior, interior, expected performance, pricing, and potential launch timeline. The front of the 2027 Eldorado makes an unforgettable first impression. Dominating the nose is Cadillac's signature oversized vertical grille, finished in gloss black with chrome accents for a bold, premium appearance. Ultra-slim LED headlights stretch across the front, emphasizing the coupe's wide stance, while the signature vertical daytime running lights create an unmistakable Cadillac identity. The sculpted hood and sharp front bumper add athletic character without sacrificing elegance. Combined with its low ride height and wide proportions, the Eldorado projects confidence from every angle. Viewed from the side, the Eldorado features a sleek, fastback silhouette inspired by classic American grand touring coupes. The long hood, flowing roofline, and short rear deck create perfectly balanced proportions. Large, gloss-black turbine-style wheels fill the arches beautifully, while the sculpted side intake behind the front wheels adds a sporty touch. Flush body panels, dark-tinted windows, and clean character lines keep the profile sophisticated and modern. The design feels timeless, blending Cadillac heritage with futuristic styling. The rear is equally striking. Slim, horizontal LED lighting spans nearly the entire width of the trunk, complemented by Cadillac's signature vertical taillights at each corner. A gloss black lower diffuser adds visual aggression, while the clean trunk design proudly displays the Eldorado lettering. Rather than relying on oversized spoilers, the rear focuses on elegant proportions and refined detailing, perfectly matching the luxurious character of the vehicle. Inside, the Eldorado delivers a true flagship experience. A panoramic digital display stretches across the dashboard, combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless interface. Premium light-colored leather, ambient lighting, and metallic trim create a clean, upscale atmosphere. The sculpted front seats provide outstanding comfort, while the floating center console integrates the electronic gear selector, wireless charging, and premium controls. A panoramic glass roof completes the cabin, making it feel spacious, modern, and exceptionally luxurious. Although Cadillac has not released official specifications, a production Eldorado could realistically offer 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, producing around 420 horsepower, 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 with approximately 550 horsepower, 10-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, magnetic ride control suspension, Super Cruise hands-free driving technology. Given Cadillac's commitment to electrification, an all-electric version would also be a strong possibility. If positioned as Cadillac's flagship luxury coupe, estimated pricing could be: base model, around $95,000; Premium luxury, approximately $115,000. V-Series performance, up to $140,000. That would place the Eldorado among premium grand touring rivals from Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Lexus, and other luxury brands. As of today, Cadillac has not officially confirmed the return of the Eldorado. These images represent an independent concept inspired by Cadillac's latest design language. If the legendary nameplate ever returns, many enthusiasts expect it could arrive later this decade as Cadillac continues expanding its premium lineup. The 2027 Cadillac Eldorado Concept proves that an American luxury icon can successfully embrace the future without losing its heritage. With its dramatic exterior, elegant fastback profile, ultra-modern cabin, and the potential for powerful gasoline or electric performance, this concept offers a compelling vision of what the next-generation Eldorado could become. Would you like Cadillac to bring back the Eldorado? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future concept cars and automotive reviews.